city splits, steel above, poison below. Two skies breathing different lights, same blood, different throne. I learned your name in the echo of rights, sirens and loss. You learn mine in the silence where hope never talks. Opposite fires in our veins, fear and love engraved in scars. They told us choose a side as if hearts were flat. If loving you is a sin, the broken paradise. The broken paradise. I've seen angels writing towers, glass and gold around their eyes. I've seen devils beg for mercy under neon, under lies. You said redemption is a story written just to keep control. I said I burn every system just to save your soul. Every step pulls us deeper, every kiss starts a war. They call us the fracture, they can't ignore. They built two worlds to break us. The broken paradise. The broken paradise. Between love and hate, same sharp knife in the ruins of desire. The broken para. The broken paradise. The broken paradise. The broken paradise. The broken paradise.